Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you can't upgrade to premium in the app. We know it's not ideal. So guys, when you want to purchase or buy premium package on Spotify in iPhone and facing this issue that you unable to purchase your Spotify premium, so guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings on your iPhone. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After doing this you have to go back, and guys, simply you have to open your Apple ID here, and guys, click on payment and shipping. And guys, make sure that you have entered correct information of payment method. And guys, if you have any kind of error or you have already entered any payment method, simply you have to delete your old payment method and add a new payment method here. And guys, after this you need to purchase it again, and after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to purchase your premium subscription on Spotify. And guys, if still not fix your problem, the second method is you have to open an internet browser, and guys, here you need to search Spotify Sport. And guys, after this here is the option of payment help. So guys, you can get help from this uh, uh, tab. And guys, if you want to contact with team, simply you have to click on contact us. And guys, simply you have to click on this tab, and guys, you can contact with Spotify community through X, means Twitter. So guys, simply you have to contact with Spotify team, send them message, and they will reply of your message and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. And guys, you can send message from here as well. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.